part.
Look, there's the pilot guy.
Trail behind it. See.
Oh, it is a butterfly.
You see? Go inside. Go inside. First tourist track.
You guys next? Next. You guys next? You guys next?
Más mono que.
Okay, please.
Scared to do it again.
So, in the video, I show you the traditional, the current way, how we make chocolate nowadays with the machines, okay? So you see this right here? It's like a traditional kitchen long time in the countryside, back in the days. People used to take clay, they mix it with water, and then the stove was like this to cook in the countryside. Then quickly I'm going to explain you how we used to make the chocolate in the countryside, everything by hand. And don't think about chocolate bars, because we didn't make chocolate bars with this. We used to make hot chocolate, okay? Then as I told you, we have the cocoa trees over here. but are mature. Next year when you come back, you're gonna see, we are planning to have like the harvesting over here for people to see the tree with the pods. Then we take the cocoa from the tree, okay? After that, we ferment them, and like this is how we put the cocoa beans to dry. So we put it on top here, as you can see here, because we just opened a few pods we had, and then we put them to dry. So when we open the pot, the cocoa beans are covered by this slimy flesh, you see? You see, are slimy. And that's why we don't add water to ferment them, because the cocoa... Who wants to try it?
That was one that I could say no to.
Wow!
Hard labor. No. That is hard labor. That's harder to make.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Wow. Like a brownie.
Like a brownie?
Yeah. Like a brownie. Oh, man, like a brownie. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. That's a fresh brownie.
Yeah.
There's muck in there.
High, almost 30 meter high. Now 12 columns. 12 columns means the 12 inside and this is right. Inside have a hole in the marble. I have different figures, different features of Indonesia from different families from here from the top. So, last time we knew was in 2006. So here we're going to the Tobacco Museum and then from the museum go to the beach. I know you want to
So everyone, let me tell you that the cigar is made of filler, binder, and also wrapper. I said the filler, talking about the inside. The inside, and then we have the binder that will wrap the inside, and then we have the wrapper that is the outside. The wrapper needs to be like moisted, flexible, and so it can be easy to roll. So over here we have those cigars, pre-rolled. So over here we have the mold. So after they finish rolling on the cigars, they will fill the mold with all those leaves that they rolled. So the mold is gonna give those cigars inside. So they will cover it and press it over there for over 45 minutes, 90 minutes, and then a long day just to get it compressed. just like that. So yeah, Melvin, so go ahead.
That's still, I paid probably 45 or 50. Full gold Derek,
That would take you about an hour.
the box of beans, the beans.
Oh yeah, she put up the sign like all kinds
So that's a kind of tree sap or resin, the natural wood to stick it. It has no color, no flavor, no aroma.
That's what I used to say about a beach.
Almost everything is.
On the beach? No, not this one. The last one. On the island. Right. Some of the blue skirts.
right now. You feel
So we have a final result over here, and a cigar maker can make like 100 cigars a day, 500 a day. Depending on the experience.
Mira, ¿por qué podemos llegar a los pisos por eso que estamos hablando? Ahorita los pisos secos y volados. Cada uno tiene características diferentes. Por ejemplo, el diseño de la fortaleza, la capacidad, la mayor golpe de cocina, el golpe de un cigarro que dicen que es predomina la hoja del cuero. No piense que va a ser suavecita. Eso hay que dar. Seco, la restaurante que le agrega.
Oh, he's making a basket. Making a basket. Oh, it feels good in here.